Hated it. I can't guys. Yeah, so now I'm scared to bring it back because Joe, I honestly is in game, yeah. Joe. Bruh. Joe, Congratulations on 100. Yeah, congratulations 100K on YouTube. Track it. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Now I'm just waiting for my plaque. I'm just waiting for my plaque now. I love you guys. Shem. None of my needs cancel. Thando, Shem. How near support Shem. Okay, nyang support again. I'm basically the last man standing. Nabang. About few. Ish. And yes, I was South Africa. Mina was in Sabama. Like, Yamana Ningbonisa was Scots. Nangbonisa was Zing. Man, just okay. I'm an influencer wonky. Hi, Chum. I in the power Shem. But I mean, I am Savashem Maracasna, who's saying that. Yeah? Imeshampi. Cooking with Thando and Panda. Baby, I was like kissing. Why? Why when I okay, ish. Baby. Lentole. iPhone para. Baby, night the head.
That's when I enter the door.
I'll see you in the gas. Cool. Yeah. I feel like I need to take off the screen protector. Like, it's making my camera quality look so bad. And it cringes me a lot. Like, I have to buy a new one. Yeah. Like, see here. Wait till they don't get that child. How have you guys been doing? Y'all chilling? How's life? I did my lashes today. Don't mind my eyes. They're very sensitive. But like, do my hair, do my toenails. But I'm not gonna show you guys. Those for free. 1,000 rands. Yeah, that's you. We are so soft, babe.
Yeah, soft.
She's gone so light. I need to imagine saying challenging. I'm Fazuli. Where I'm Zola. Like, you know? Remove the filter. I was wondering if there's a better filter. I choose. Nah. It's better, but why is my forehead shining so bad? So bad. Okay guys, maraming quarter. Like as yung quarter. Maraming na guys. Ang fan. Jobina. How?
Couldn't see it on the go.
Guys, personally, like I'm really not gonna say shit on this topic, guys. Honestly, I'm not gonna say anything.
Comment.
Because now, whether you apologize or you don't apologize, they are still gonna get like. Apologize for years. Guys. And that's what I mean. Last year, but first, I'm using a joke. I'm going to hey. I'm using a Joe last year. Last year, nizo involve manje. Moba abantu bayile manje. Joe. Nah, that's crazy. That is so crazy. Suppose I'm saying over him. Saying disturb, man. I see reflect. Babe.
Lendity 1.9 goes.
Where she's at?
When I later is in follow Koyamu.
Axia, see mistakes. What am I supposed to
Alles one to love I want to even come and follow Koyamu. Come and follow Koyamu.
I love all of you guys, man. I really do, Shem. And I feel like my day ones know me too well. You know? Like, bro, I'm not gonna say shit. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna keep on living my life. As khona ngifuna baphendula ne. Ngifuna baphendula and uma baphendula manje ngizotrend and ngifuna ukutrend. Good. I think so too, guys, man. Anyways, cooking with Thando and Panda. Welcome to episode 1. We are cooking mashed potatoes and steak. The steak was this good.
Sirloin.
That steak. And then...
Yeah. Sirloin.
Yeah. Siakuka.
Beef cookies.
We are cooking. Let us cook. Place where, oh my god. 8. Look how full this hair is, guys. There's a big clocker. Clocker, babe. Clocker. Yeah, that's my moderators. I see you are here. Please do your job. Please. I'm trying to do a lot of shit. Clock about like sleeper. Clock, okay. Clock. I have a new clock. Clock, baba, clock. Again,
that is not my name. I don't
Let me go train again.
This is my shoes.
This night. Ushaka jani tanga.
Faka ye.
Cha.
Angenze kanjani?
Chitha wokuza kanjani sonke lesikhathi. Before ngicala ukunceda mina.
Bengichitha mina imesh konje.
What do you mean?
Hey, hoza man.
Is mine so bad? Baby. Ungolisa amazami right now.
Ngifuna ngishayine akhiwo. Mangavuma amazambane manje. Ngoba manje uyadlala. Bamba ke. Le nto le isafunayo ngiyayibona.
Faka fast, beka fast.
Ngibeke fast. Hawu, abheka mina manje. Hawu. Hello.
Clock it. Clock up, baby. Clock up, baby. Afuna uclocka.
Mina kuclocka ngakungena. Angiclocki ngomunye.
Baby, kusasenamanzi.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza mina ngenzeni. Ngoba wena wathi kimi amanzi ungawakhiphi futhi.
Angisho kanjalo.
Ushilo.
Angisho.
Ushilo. Phela bengikho.
Iphi imfoloko yami?
The stove slow. Eliyazi siqale ngamandla kanjani. Hey, baby. Wenzani? Yenzo kanje wena.
Watch and bed, you must understand.
Ne?
Guys, are these lights? Joe, I guess you see well.
Watch out.
First of all,
Ima, watch out. Alright. You will look at Baba. You will back again and you will be. How? Moba nje my friend. How?
Uthe, if we experience any problem,
uyichargile na ngeke ufike kumuntu akuthengisele i-power bank mayikuzero uyayibuyisela ngoba isayicharge ifoni yakho right uyahlala mina ngathuka jo ha
babe, ucibelele istove manje.
uwe sekuyabona ukuthi iyathula inyama manje
Yenzani?
iyathula akunamlilo yini hayi wena apha ibaya yabona bezosixosha ayima job ima ngifake ngilight stove sami angifuni ukuba la kuze kushi light sakho
Mina inkinga yeni kuphi?
awu light stove sami
Maka ifuthi light esakho ongasasilayiti.
ngisilayitile hayi why you process sami
Esakho esiphi? Ngoba ngipose sami.
u-A yini manje
Angazi. Yebo.
senzani le stove lena into oyizongisanganela yini u-A
Guys. That's mesh ne.
endoda all man
This is hard labor for me. Like, I can't be doing this. My men should be doing this. You know? We have met.
yabona amasudu alahlele phansi
I am a boom. How? Oh, she's at the stove.
ucabanga ngisikumele
So take. Sishisa la ukumele ngitobethe khona. Isito sakho besibukwena.
sibeke kumnandi
Esakho. Uzushise phana. Isifike ku-9.
bengizozithela asifuni bazijima kakhulu
Guys, cooking with Thando. Thina shem asinasikhathi sokudla yazi. Masilambile nje siyadla. Nanoma kungaba u-12. Uyangizwa? Baby. Nasi si. Achu. Steak sakho siyasha babe.
Shiswa yini?
Ubuza bani?
Ukuthi siyasha.
Ekuse ibhodo lakho. Mina nginaka ibhodo lami ngithi.
Manje wazelapha ukuthi ngiyabulala.
Kanti ngikuphi Panda?
Ulibona ngani?
Angithi ngiyeza. Ngime phambi kwalo.
Ngafika lapho ngizobhodla ungashi.
Angishongo ukuthi liyasha.
Uthenge phansi ibhodla lapho.
Angishongo kanjalo. This will slap so hard, thanks. Yo. Yabo?
Ngibona.
Uzosenza sibe kudala manje.
Ngangitshele lona.
Yabo ngithisho kwamisa. Guys, relax. I don't want to cook, eh? Relax, dog. The foot? Go cook your own pot. How? Good lavender. Relax, young. Relax. Don't. Yeah. Don't rush it, dog. Don't. I don't know about that team, but you know. Babe, how can you say in loot? Yeah? Oh, food. Ngiyacela move. Because I don't like how is the lighting that bad? The lighting is so bad. Touching hair, yo. Kafana chomi ngekudle la. Anoma ngakhwathi isikhama sami ngekudle chomi. So wena ngisho ukuthi awungendawo yangibona? Yeah. Clock it, clock baba. Like it. I feel like I've messed it enough, hey? Ngifuna izamba nelikhanji. Ngiyabuza ukuthi ufuna izamba nelikhanji na. No, hey, how you doing? Baby, stop sakho. She doesn't look as lama touch screen ne. When I move the pot to the side, it switches off the stove. Because I don't want it to burn the foot. And I say she's baby. Come on, when? I baby, what was that? What was it?
Let's just take it like slow.
Let's move on. That's nine, no man. Let's not shut it. I'm here.
I'm down to you.
I am somewhere. Chufikai, you know, must. I don't want to taste. Sorry. And butter, I did. go back with them seasoning. Oh, I forgot that. Guys, I added cream. The fuck? Y'all ain't see that? I added cream. Akunakumele. Aningeke mina ngipheke ukudla kwami. Ngingena how? Angithi sonke sipheka differently. How? Sala imesh ihamba kahle, iza kahle. Yo.
Hayi baby. Yo uyafonyoza lapho wenza ujima kangaka sithembiso.
Papelani.
Angiphapha nginamaphiko.
Shuthi convert.
Ngiyangithola muzi.
Uzanginedebe. Uzongishisa ngabe yabona?
Ngiyamburusha yazi. Hayi ukuthi ngiyakufihlela ngicishe washa straight. Let's taste it.
Angeke, awutaste kanjani.
Hayi, usiyancisha.
Nalapho awutaste. Angithi ngikujelile wena wakhetha ukungangimaniki. Angizamaniki. Isteak sakho sihamba kanjani sithanda sami? Ngoba mina sengicedile.
Yeah, slow down. I don't know what's going on with that. Slow down. It's so lucky.
Cha, ngibona lokho.
I want to love it. And
Ngale ngishise red board. Yo. Lepho. Mina sengicedile babe. Singime ngapha. Sengaba. Jo. How was I get it? Yabona namanje umuntu udla ngo-12. This is my fourth meal of the day. No man. Sithandela ukudla nje. I ate like 2 hours ago. KFC. It's a dumpling, that's his 3.2. That's mesh and gravy. That's his spicy dip. Yeah, that. Futhi what?
Umise yonke leyo. Iphelile. Awusana evidence. Ithi receipt yonke. Yes. Hayi, mara ngithatha. Mina ngifuna umuntu odlala. Ngifuna ngithatha nawo. Ngoba ngiyawuduma.
Baby, ngisibeke ku-9 Steve stop sakho. Akunamuntu odubula muntu. Imoto.
Oh, i-TV. Look. Somebody wodwa yilo. Baby, wena lesipoti leswayesisa wena. Wena ngisiyashisa. Uyazibona ukuthi is off. Uyabona ukuthi ugcina istove. Ah, so the next year, yes.
Baby,
Ah, shame.
I did not mean any harm.
Ah, shame.
Pivosa. Shashi's or well, sashi's.
She's an easy.
Pivosa. Yeah, this is passing me. What's the heck? Yeah, I'm smelling my leaves. You think I come now? You think I come now, Macho? Yeah, mira. What's smelling mine? Bunga. Kulungi mahali yangu. Yo.
What are you doing? Baby. Baby.
That was good. I extra butter actually. Baby, yeah, shut up.
Deixa, eu não fui um burro, velho, já fiz.
Vamos a taste that, guys. Fair?
Then we are tasting. No, no, Thando, no. Baby, I tell you, I'm so shy. Shy is fine. That's fine.
Sakaban.
That's fine.
Let's come out.
That's fine. Yeah, go to the shy.
Vamos a taste that, guys. Vamos a taste that. You know how to shot or something. Maganazo will say him there or something.
I want to show that something. You get something. In follow where you will be far. Volleyball. Show you
Esse tem que ser com você acha?
volleyball.
Why are you watching my live? That's so weird. Don't you think? Ha! Young man.
Excuse me, TV.
That's like Fortnite. Too. How come there's Fortnite? How come there's Fortnite? Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Baby.
You want to real people shy,
tell them about doing cut a spoon. I mean, it was on the
spoon saying
measure. You know that?
Sure.
Yo.
Why is those supposed on beans in there? I'm not chips.
I need your cup. Listen, guys. It's so tasty. But I'm not being able to touch this cat's head steak side. I'm going to add it. It's where you mashed it to eat more. But I know. I was trying to mention, but having a tasty salmon looks disgusting, I know. But it tastes so good. Wow, the moderator is working overtime, Thando. Good. Love you loads, guys, Anna. Baploke bonke. Ushiya bangithandayo. Abazimile. Uyangizona? Sebenza kanjalo le ndaba. Yeah, yona imnandi shame. I meshed up the measure, so this is we measure food.
Ngeke sidle phela. Bavaya la. Ngeke sidle phela namhlanje. Hawu.
Baby.
Bebayekela ukugala ngemesho.
Uzolisa phela lokho.
Ayinzi ngicabanga.
Yeah, beka lapha.
Hey. The steak is ready. Bebasike isinethambo.
Manje. Ekuse restaurant basika ithambo bawugaya nethambo lakho. That's not bad. Like it's a bad. Like it's a like hella bad. Ish. But it has good connection on my side, Mish. it okay now? It's okay. Alright, guys. Now I don't know if I should activate my name again or just keep it like that. What y'all think? Like, nangyayari sa akin, guys. Umali. Pregnant eh. Pupunta kayo ni Rachel. Pregnant. Ay, manila. Hilani. Heal. No, ba sa toxic relationship? No, man. Heal. Hego. Yo. Joy. How? Babe. Mistake. Kira kasi sama. Oh, Joe. Give me the names. What are you talking about exactly? Let's see where we can make things right. Who exactly are you talking about? Ma. Like what more proof do you guys want, bro? Kuvela wena steaks eu. Mina umuntu azashise nje. So kawan. Ngoba Untu. You're the smart. Fuck it. Fuck it. Angala ngazama mina. Angala mus. I think I have even here. Wait. Do you guys stay for a night? Guys, what's good now? Do you think I should activate my name? Or like keep it deactivated for some time? Or should I risk it, bro? Bro. Negative. Negative. Yebo kusami, yebo. Oh, yebo. Yeah. Babe. Thanks up. As late season. Babe. Thanks up with the jump, babe. I'm a food, that's nice. Shit. Here's the truth. Baby, what's the pain? What's the pain this day? Siyabuza ukuthi manje uzosifipha nini? Exe, angifuni steak eshile mina. Why manje sashushumiza la? Ngiba yini? Uzosika gawu. Baby, ekasuka bayalisika ithambo lakho basika inyama bakusele nethambo lakho. So when I sika inyama ushiya ithambo then andini inkinga yakho bani? Guys, mina as a girlfriend ngicela indoda yami ukuthi engithathele isteak. Ayifuni ngitshela ngokuthi ithambo lenzeni. Ithambo lenzeni phana? Hello. Ithambo lenzeni.